Welcome to this tutorial on device groups in SevOne. To get to this menu, go up to Devices, down to Grouping, and select Device Groups. On your left, you'll see the grouping structure, which is nested. Devices in SevOne can exist in more than one group. So for example, this device here, which is under the SevOne group, cvs.sevone.com, also exists in the Class C group down here. So jumping back, let's look at Cisco. We can see that all our Cisco gear has been brought in, matched off of a Perl regular expression on the system description field. Now, I can edit this and also write other regular expressions for any of these fields. But just for example, let's say I want to also apply MPLS. Now I've updated the rule. An important step is you do need to apply the rule. And once you do that, you will see that an AND condition has been applied, so that only devices that have MPLS in the name and Cisco in their description will be a part of this group. Now I can get rid of this. I can also do an OR condition by simply adding a rule. So perhaps in the system description, I want SevOne. I'm going to apply the rules, and you can see we have some Cisco gear, and we also have, I believe this is one of our VMs brought in. So that's how you would apply an OR condition. Now you might have noticed this little pin icon down here, and let's say you just can't pin down a regular expression to get all the devices you need, or maybe information is lacking. This particular system didn't provide a system description when it was discovered. You would simply click the Pin Devices group and again select a device that's not already in there, pin it to the group, and you'll see it'll be at the top. Now if you make a mistake or you don't think this belongs in this group anymore, simply select the items and then unpin select it. It'll warn you, and these devices are removed. Now, an important thing to note is that if you use regular expressions such as these, whenever you add a new device that meets these conditions, they will automatically be put into these groups. So very low maintenance, but it is something to be aware of, that if you do add another Cisco router, let's say, to your environment, it'll automatically put into the Cisco group for you. And I think I should have mentioned at the beginning, but it's really straightforward. There's a button up here to add a device. You give it a name, hit save, and since I had selected Cisco, it gets nested under Cisco. But again, I can move this anywhere. Now it's nested under that. Now it's under IP, etc. So just drag it to where it is most appropriate, and you have a new device group where you can start adding rules to populate it.